Time is 3:34 AM. Time to get up, get dressed. There we go. That's me, final alarm. 3:35 AM. What I've got to do now, get up, get ready. Let's get over to Helvellyn. Good to go. All set. It's Friday and I'm off work and it's 4:10 in the morning, so a nice early start. Not very nice weather out, it's a bit cold and a bit wet. But I'm off work today, so I had to check the weather and there's some snow and bad weather forecast in the lakes. So that's where I'm going. Plan now, let's get some petrol and head over there. What have I done? It's nearly 6 o'clock in the morning. I've just arrived in Glenridding in the tourist information place. Sat in the car, it's pissing it down. I read the weather forecast today and it said it's going to be snow in the morning, quite bad weather later on. No snow, it's just raining. Thick fog, raining, there's nobody around. I'm an idiot. I got caught by a speed camera on the way here as well. So yeah, it's not the best start. But I'm going to get ready, head to the top and see what happens. It's absolutely grim. Got my Bose headphones on under here so I can't hear a thing. I'll show you where I've got to go. So follow this path. And if we can zoom in. Where we're going is we're going straight up there. Only on runs like this you see people, but nobody today. It's finally snowing. I don't know if you can see it, just a little bit. I'm nearly at the top of this first bit of a peak now. I thought I'd check in with you really quick because as soon as I get over the top it's going to get really windy and I might not be able to film as much. And some people say, why'd you come up mountains? They don't get it. I had a pretty stressful, when I come back from Thailand, December, January, I was in between jobs. Trouble in my relationship probably because of that and everything, and it's a stressful time and been busy with work. So my first day off I've had this year and I thought I'd take myself up a mountain. You know, look, it's peaceful, it's snowing. Anyway, I'll stop waffling, I'll crack on. Let's get to the top of here and let's see what it's like on the top. I'm just hoping there's a bit more snow. You can see it's starting to settle on the ground now, which is cool. I don't even know if you can hear me, but coming in now with the snow, I don't know if you can see it on camera. No wonder I'm the only one out here today. That's where I've come from, although you can't really tell. There's a drop either side here. And I'm going up here somewhere. Getting windy though. this is the start of Striding Edge. That's a drop on one side and the drop on the other. Let's do this. Shit, I don't want to fall there. I've done this bit before. This is it's not great, this shit. Not too sure about this. Climbed out. I know there's not a lot to look at because it's this is what I've come over. Cold is an understatement. My hands absolutely freezing. I've had to clamber in the snow to get up on this little ridge now, so it's so cold. Basically, I've come over Striding Edge, and now we've got the final ascent, which is here up to the top of Helvellyn. And to be perfectly honest with you, I just can't wait to get to the top now. Nearly. It's bitterly cold. I've not seen anybody. I'm going to get up there, spend a minute up there, and literally get down, get back. It's too cold. Right, this is the top. I'm not hanging about, it's so windy, it's blowing off here. I can't find the way down. It's over there somewhere. I've got to go over one of these edges. Well, shit. This is the way I've got to go down. Bollocks. Bollocks. On the arse, I think. Fucking hell. What have I done? Look at this. Now, if I said I wasn't scared now, I'd probably be lying. you go. I apologise it's all misty. I've got all water on my lens, can't clean it. Look at that. Lovely. But I last Facebook streamed about 25 minutes ago when I was on Swirral Edge. And to be honest, I'm near the bottom now, I'm just on the path. So I thought I'll sprint down. I'm just having a 2-minute breather while I do this video. I'm sorry it's all steaming up. Try and give this lens a clean. Yeah, it's all steaming up inside the lens now, so I'm probably gonna have to leave it. But yeah, I'll probably next get a picture when I'm in the pub. I've come the long way around because I know there's a pub at the end of here. I'm dying for a pint. It better be open when I get there. Well, in fact, it's a bit early, isn't it? It's about, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's about about 10 o'clock maybe. So I've done well. Hopefully I'll be back home for 1 o'clock. Still really steamed up, can't do anything about it, it's condensation. But this is the best sight I've seen all day. Yeah! So finally made it back. Whoa, that was what a morning. It's 10 past 10. So most of you are probably just getting up or in work, and I've already been up to the top of the mountain and back. And even better, cafe. I think it's time for a full English if it's open. Yes.